If your skin has ever betrayed you before an important day, same, let's fix this. So, this tiny tube claims it fixed the acne. So, is it lying or worth buying? Welcome to my channel where my skin and I were in a toxic relationship, but now we are in love with each other. So, hi, my name is Vinita, and I am your honest skincare tester. And today we are putting this to the test, but no filter, no fake review, just real results. Let's talk about the advanced AHA Glow Face Wash Gel. Can you see this? Yeah. So I have been using this from last 7 months, and why I keep going back to it? Yeah. So I started using it when my face, like my skin, was honestly not in a good state. It was having lot of breakouts, like acne marks, pimple, whatever the like kind of very bad it was. Like, and I was having very it became this place became very darker actually. So, but after using this regularly, I noticed a lot of changes. Like my skin became a little bit smoother and started to feel very cleaner, and it really helped to control my acne and oily skin. So the texture is very light and it feels gentle on the skin, and it doesn't leave the tight dry feeling after washing it. Like some face washes will give you that, like very different kind of feel after face wash, but it doesn't give you at all. It gives you very gentle and very soften after washing it. If you have acne prone skin, irritated skin, or oily skin, so you can definitely go for this. Gentle reminder, it's not like an overnight miracle, but it slowly helps reduces acne and keeps your skin very fresh. That's something I really like about that. That's actually one of the main reason I keep going back to this product. It just works without irritating my skin. Yeah, this has honestly become one of the best product I keep repurchasing without even thinking it twice. Now we'll talk about the key ingredients which this product is having. So first one is glycolic acid. So it removes the dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and soothes the texture. Then the salicylic acid goes deep into pores, so to fight against the acne and the oily skin. Then the third one is aloe vera gel. So aloe vera, it is like soothes irritation and hydrates the skin. The fourth one is vitamin E, which helps as an antioxidant that protects and repairs your skin. As a result, in a short, it is like fewer. It's like reduces your pimple and helps in healing and starts to fade your acne marks. And how to use it? As you know, you use like face wash every day. Just wash your face and try to tap it with a towel, not like just wiping off your face. Just tap, like dry tap, and just apply some sunscreen or whatever the moisturizer which is according to your preference. Main talk is it is dermatologically tested and works well for the acne and oily skin and improves dullness and the texture. And who can use this one? Who is having oily skin, acne prone skin, dull and uneven texture, and mild pigmentation. Same wise, who can't use it? Who is having very dry skin, like very dry skin and highly sensitive skin, and the people who are below 15 years. Why not below 15 years? It's because it contains glycolic acid, which is a mild exfoliating acid that's more suitable for the acne prone or mature skin, not for the very young skin. So there will be a question, who can use it? Is for women and it is for men. Yeah, it's a unisex. Okay, so it is like this product does not care about your gender, but it do care about your skin condition. So it is a unisex, so both women and men can use this product. So yeah, overall I really like this product or the face wash, and it has worked well for my skin and it gave me a good results in these few months. So but at the same time, everyone is having a different kinds of skin color, skin texture, and skin tone. If you have very sensitive skin, or if you have acne is really severe or irritating it very much, I would honestly suggest you checking with the consultant or dermatologist before you're trying out this product, because what works for me might not be work for you because your skin is different. So better be a little bit more careful about your skin, like how you care for your loved ones. But if you have normal to oily or mildly acne prone skin, I feel like this is definitely worth buying and worth trying. You can try and see for yourself. So yeah, that was my honest experience with this face wash. I hope this helped you in some way. And if you have any clarification, any doubts regarding this, please comment down. And if you have any suggestions for me, also you can give it on the comment box. So I'll go through with that and I'll try to give you the information how much ever I can. So, and you can see my skin actually right now. I forgot to show, but the thing is now you can see like it reduced a lot. And I already told you it's not a magic. It doesn't give you overnight results. It takes a lot of time and lot of efforts. If you have consistency, if you have like patience, you will get a better result with this face wash. It is not like chemically, it is dermatological tested. So you can go with this product to improve your skin, not in overnight, but in some time. Like it needs a lot of time. So I hope this helped a lot. So we'll see in the next video.